Hi, it's Bex. Welcome to the online course for the Louis Hobo bag. So this bag features some really nice details, quite fun things to learn. So you've got the zip frame, which I've done in the hair on hide, but obviously you could do it in a contrast leather. You could think about doing it in matching leather, whatever tickles your fancy. So you've got the pocket here on the front, the zip pocket on the front, and you've also got one on the inside as well. So I always like mounting my zip pockets on the inside at the back of the bag, and then I like it as a feature to have the pocket on the front. But obviously all those details are up to you, so you might potentially want to have your zip pocket on the back, but have a little play and decide what you want. In terms of the exciting things to learn how to make, we've got the Bugatti handle, which everyone in class loves learning how to make. And that's attached with the rivets, and you've got the tabs on the side with the trigger hook and D-ring attaching together. And then you've got the closure for this bag is the magnet. So nice, quite easy closure to learn how to make, but really fun, and you know, it works so well. And that's all the features for this bag.